Hi, welcome to another Nature Walk Talk. So here I am in Nature's Playground, and actually there's a sign that says Nature's Playground. Usually playgrounds are designed by people, but here you can just walk into nature and find your own playground, such as get a gorgeous tree and add a swing. And then you can have a bunch of chairs around it and sit in a circle and watch as you climb this absolutely gorgeous rock. And find some stairs and go to play King of the Mountain. So you see, you don't need a legitimate playground. You can go into nature and find the elements that you need to make your own playground. Here's a sign. When you go into nature, go with an open heart and an open mind and touch the child within and just see what comes to you. Thanks for joining me for another Nature Walk Talk.